Let me go ahead and introduce our speaker of the day. We have Riona. She's been a product analyst at Entitle for the past 6 months and has a good background with 5 years of experience in the technology sector with a background in both customer success and product management. She's passionate about creating solutions that meet customer needs, and when she's not coming up with the best and latest product ideas, she loves to sing and is currently in a fitness journey. And with that being said, Rihanna, I will pass it off over to you.
Thanks, Colin, for that wonderful introduction. Hello, everybody. Good morning and good evening to everybody joining from different time zones. Thank you for tuning in to our webinar on equipment audits. Today, we'll be exploring the reliability of equipment audits, their impact on our operations, and how you can improve the audit processes to ensure better performance and safety. Whether you're looking to optimize your maintenance strategies or to enhance your equipment's reliability, this session will for sure provide insightful ideas to you. So let's dive in. Next slide, please. So why are equipment audits so important? So they are important as they offer a detailed view of an organization's asset base, highlighting any inconsistencies between the actual installations and the recorded data. This process ensures precise inventory management, optimizes the maintenance schedules, minimizes downtime, and also enhances the overall operational efficiency. Furthermore, audits assist in regulatory compliance. They also prevent expensive equipment failures and also inform strategic decisions about asset use and replacement. Next slide, please. So we must take equipment audits very seriously because without them, organizations can face increased costs from unexpected breakdowns and costly repair, as well as missed revenue opportunities due to any unplanned downtime. This can significantly impact the bottom line by raising the operational expenses and reducing the profitability. Regular and reliable audits are essential in maintaining the efficiency and also protecting the organization's financial health. Next slide, please. So now that we know that equipment audits are so important, so why is it still a problem today and why are the organizations still struggling with this? So although equipment audits are vital for effective asset management, they remain a significant challenge in today's environment due to several factors that I've mentioned here. So many organizations still rely on outdated legacy systems that lack the capability to provide real-time and accurate data. Additionally, manual processes are often time-consuming and are also prone to human error, making it difficult to maintain an up-to-date record of assets. Also, the frequent changes in assets, such as the relocations, upgrades, or replacements, they further complicate the auditing process. Moreover, fragmented systems across different departments or locations, they result in data silos, leading to inconsistent and incomplete asset information. Finally, the lack of standardized processes for auditing and data management means that the organizations still struggle to implement a unified approach to equipment audits. Next slide, please. So despite the ongoing challenges with equipment audits, there are effective strategies to simplify the process, some of which I've mentioned on this slide, but I'll just go through them. So suppose centralizing data into a single system ensures accuracy and accessibility. Automation of repetitive tasks reduces the errors and it also saves time. Standardizing the audit procedures maintain consistency while real-time tracking technologies, they provide up-to-date asset information. Also, continuous improvement of processes and integration with other enterprise systems further enhances the efficiency and also the accuracy. Next slide, please. So I am genuinely thrilled to share a key development with you all, which I'm sure will be very interesting and will help you a lot. So we have already built a product designed to meet this need and address these specific problems. Our product, IB Health Check, as the name goes, enables the digital inspection of assets using tablets or mobile phones. The process is straightforward. It is just like creating a questionnaire and filling it out during the audit. Next slide. So let me briefly explain the workflow of IB Health Check. So the process begins with creating a checklist or a questionnaire on the web or selecting from the available templates. This can be done by an account manager or anybody who is responsible for conducting these audits. The next step is to assign these inspections to a specific location, asset, and a field executive. Then the next step is that the field executive finally visits the site and conducts the inspection by answering the checklist which has been assigned to him on his device. After the visit, once the inspection is complete, a report is generated that provides valuable insights based on the responses given by the field executive. Next slide, please. Okay, so this slide also outlines the workflow of an inspection. It begins with the manager planning the inspection, followed by the field executive visiting the location to physically assess the equipment according to the questionnaire assigned to him. Finally, a report is generated, which can be shared among teams and can also be synced with Entitle or any other CRM. Next slide, please. So to summarize, with our IB Health Check, it's a win-win for both your service and aftermarket teams. Field executives will appreciate the ease of the process via mobile phones, allowing them to flag issues on the go. Meanwhile, your team can efficiently manage, schedule, and also monitor the inspection seamlessly. Your aftermarket teams can actually relax and they will receive the ready-made reports, which will give them actionable insights. Yes, next slide. Finally, Entitle is an AI-powered solution designed specifically to help businesses optimize their aftermarket operations by leveraging advanced analytics and data-driven insights. It enables companies to make informed decisions that maximize their revenue and growth potential in the aftermarket sector. That actually brings me to the end of this webinar. I hope it was insightful for you all. Over to you, Colin.
Thanks for that, Rihanna. It looks like we had a couple of questions come in during your sharing. One of them is, how does IB Health Check ensure the consistency and accuracy of inspections across different locations and field executives?
Okay, that's a great question, actually. So IB Health Check ensures consistency and accuracy by providing a standardized checklist, which I mentioned that there's a lack of it these days. So it will help you to provide standardized checklists and questionnaires that guide the field executives through each inspection. This standardized procedure will also reduce human errors. Having said that, IB Health Check is yet to be released very soon. However, we invite you all to reach out to us and we'd be happy to give you a demo and get more feedback on it.
Great, thanks for that. And then we have one other question that came in.
Yeah.
How can organizations prioritize which equipment should be audited first?
Okay. So organizations can prioritize equipment audits based on factors such as the criticality of the equipment to operations, the age and condition of the equipment, and also the frequency and the severity of the past issues. And lastly, I think also the manufacturer's recommended, based on the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. Yep.
Okay, yeah, thanks for that. As far as any other questions go, I did not see anything. As far as the audience, thank you for joining us. You have Riona's email address there, and there's also a QR code that you can scan to learn some more about entitlement. Please do not hesitate to reach out to us. With that being said, thank you again, everybody.
Thank you.